This is the horn of a 2015 Buick Regal. Also, if you had a dash cam, this is what it would look like. Pretty pointy hood. Nissan Juke horn. Come on. Also, if you had a dash cam, this is what it would look like. Yeah, you got these headlights sticking up. Well, there you go. And here's what it would look like if you had a dash cam. Wow, that's not the horn I was expecting. Might have a horn replacement. Here's the horn of an older Dodge Power Wagon. Okay. Had to figure out how to get out there for a second. Also, if you had a dash cam, this is what it would look like. Pretty cool. Colorado. Okay. Second, this is a really heavy door. Also, if you had a dash cam, this is what it would look like. Pretty nice. I have a 2017 GMC Terrain. And if you had a dash cam, this is what it would look like. It has like this big hood scoop thing. Nice. A Ford Fusion, don't know the year. Also, if you had a dash cam, this is what it would look like. Yeah, pretty nice. I have a 2016 Chevy Malibu Limited. And if you had a dash cam, this is probably what it would look like. Pretty cool. 15 is the year. And if you had a dash cam, this is probably what it would look like. Something like this. Pretty nice. A 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I had one, but I did not like it whatsoever. Anyways, here you go. Better? There we go. Okay. And if you had a dash cam, this is what it looked like. Pretty cool. Not that I like this car. Of a Kia Sedona. And if you had a dash cam, this is probably what it would look like. Pretty nice. I want the newer one before, but here you go. Okay. Come on, horse. Here's the dash cam view. Wow, not what I was expecting. The horn of a 2016 Kia Optima. And outside. If you had a dash cam, this is what it would look like. Nice. Here's the horn of a 2012 Ford Escape. Whoops, didn't open the door. Okay, there you go. The dash cam, this is what it would look like. Pretty nice. Ford Escape. Here's the dash cam view. Also credit to Auto West Motors for letting me honk this car. Okay, this door is heavy too. I don't know why I waited so long. Oh, here's the dash cam view. Looks good. It looks cool. 2015, I think. Cars are 200. There's outside view. Come on, honk. Why won't I do it now? There we go. There's the dash cam view. Good. One of a 2017 Ford Focus. well, I already did one, so I thought the horn was swapped, but dash cam view again. Okay, bye. Cross. Kind of muffled. This is dash cam view. 50. And here's the dash cam view. There you go. I don't know why I honked it so many times, but there you go. 2010 or 11 Chevy Silverado. What? Okay. There's no way. There is no way, dude. There's no way. Oh my god. Okay, here's the dash cam view. Oh my god, it's so embarrassing. Like, had to do it one more time. Here's the dash cam view. Pretty nice. Oh, that's much better than the 11. Oh, it's muffled. Here's a dash cam view. Pretty good. Horn of a 2010 Ford F350. And here's a dash cam view. I got a reaction from that one. Horn of a 2011 Jeep Wrangler. Okay. Go. Come on, honk. Yeah, one more time for him. Oh, when I took my hand off, it did it again. The dash cam view. Woo! 16 Dodge Grand Caravan. Feels nice in here. It's pretty big. Is that loud? There you go. Dash cam view. Pretty cool. This is what the dealer told me to call it because it doesn't run or anything. Here's the horn. No horn. Really good horn. Here's the dash cam view. This is a crank windowed Ford Ranger, aka piece of crap. This exact one doesn't even run or anything, but hey, at least the windows work and the horn. Otherwise, yeah, really cool. Can't drive. This person here was taking a test drive in their Ford Fusion in Michigan here, and she hit this Kia Rio in Michigan here, and the door is rolling out of stuff. This lady was just driving around having a good time when this person hit her. Pretty fun. Here's the horn of a 2009 GMC Sierra. And here it is again. Dash cam view. Pretty nice.